Today we have a Samsung S21 Plus and it needs a front screen and a back glass replaced. Start to heat up the frame, then remove the back glass. From there we start to remove the screws, remove the wireless charger, and then we start disconnecting the cables and taking the phone fully apart. Samsungs take a lot longer because we have to remove everything from one frame to a new frame. From there we start to put everything back together in a new frame. We start to test it out and we start to close it. From there, it's back to normal. If your phone looks like this, make sure to go to our link in bio to book your repair.